This young, generously sized cape in Charlestown enjoys excellent views of Ninigret Pond, the Atlantic Ocean, and Block Island on a clear day. The elevated open deck and screened porch are wonderful places to relax and take in the views and ocean breezes. Step inside as the interior features hardwood floors, large rooms, and windows that fill the home with natural light. The lovely living room has a brick hearth and charming wood stove accentuated by quality built-ins. The modern and efficient kitchen is neat and tidy and features custom cabinetry and a serving window that opens into the adjoining sunny dining room. A second deck looks out over the rear yard with plenty of space for gatherings and an outdoor shower perfect for beach days. The oversized detached garage is an ideal workspace or great for boat or antique car storage. The first floor master suite provides generous sleeping quarters, a walk-in closet, and a private full bath with a dual sink vanity. Completing the main level is a half bath with a laundry area that is great for guests. On the upper floor is a second bedroom and its own sitting area, a full bath, and a family room or office that has its own walkouts to the expansive views. Enjoy the feeling of summer year-round in this wonderful location right by Ninigret Park and close to East and Blue Shutters beaches. Ninigret Park is minutes down the road and home to many recreational fields and the Frosty Drew Observatory. Walk the trails of Burlingame State Park or visit the quaint rustic shops of the fantastic Umbrella Factory. Charlestown is a gorgeous area full of iconic beaches and within driving distance to historic Newport. For more information, please visit the property website or call or text Jonathan Daly-Labelle at area code 401-741-3820.